In this video, I'm going to teach you how to grow your vocabulary through some tips on how to recognize identical or very similar looking words. We're going to work on recognizing them when you hear them because visually they're very similar and you're going to know how to understand their meaning pretty quickly. So let's have a look. Alors, commençons avec les mots qui finissent avec able. Able, comme responsable. Responsable. So I'm going to give you 3 more words qui finissent avec able, that end in able, and you're going to write them down. Mesurable, mesurable, traçable, traçable, vulnérable, vulnérable. Ensuite, les mots qui finissent avec ion, ion, comme une conversation, une conversation. Les 3 mots, vision, vision, transaction, transaction, salutation, salutation. Super. Les mots qui finissent avec ible. You will find a lot of words that end in ible, comme possible, possible. Here are 3 more examples that you have to work out by listening and recognizing what I'm saying. Flexible, flexible, visible, visible, accessible, accessible. Très bien. And then we have words that end in ENT. These ones are the ones that end in ENT and make the sound en, en. Comme différent, différent. It means the exact same in English. And here are some more examples. Par exemple, traitement, traitement, placement, placement, mouvement, mouvement. Maintenant, les mots qui ressemblent. Ils sont similaires, mais pas identiques. These ones are going to have a slight change. En français, IE, et en anglais, Y. So these words ending IE in English, in French, and they will go to a Y in English. We have a lot of these, comme une dynastie, une dynastie. So listen for the 3 extra examples. Thérapie, thérapie, radiologie, radiologie, philosophie, philosophie. Les mots qui finissent avec EL en français, comme universel, universel. 3 exemples. Pluriel, pluriel, tutoriel, tutoriel, personnel, personnel. Les mots qui finissent en IC en français, IQUE, mais en anglais, IC, comme dramatique, dramatique. Par exemple, poétique, poétique, stratégique, stratégique, volcanique, volcanique. Très bien. Another ic ending in English could be ical, I-C-A-L, comme pratique, gives us practical. D'autres exemples, galactique, galactique, sabbatique, sabbatique, mélodique, mélodique. Très bien. words that end in ist are often ISTE en français. Les mots qui finissent en ISTE, comme un journaliste. Un journaliste. Par exemple, finaliste. Finaliste. Touriste. Touriste. Et violoniste. Violoniste. Les mots qui finissent en heure peuvent être or en anglais ou comme un directeur. Un directeur. 3 exemples avec heure, censeur, censeur, investigateur, investigateur, faveur, faveur. Et finalement, we've reached our last one, sien, which gives us that tion. En français, un politicien, un politicien. We will often get job names with this one. Sien is what we're looking for at the end with that nice nasally un, sien. Par exemple, clinicien, clinicien, diététicien, diététicien et canadien, canadien. Superbe, bravo tout le monde. Je vous félicite, bon travail. I hope you got to write all those examples or at least listened and recognize what they are. A lot of these words, once you see them written down, you will know exactly what they are. It's a matter of practicing what you recognize, and what often makes all the difference are those vowel sounds, because even though the word is spelled nearly the same, and sometimes exactly the same, keep practicing those vowels, those French vowels, so that you can say those words with the French pronunciation. So hopefully you followed along and you recognize lots of the words I gave you. I'd love to see in the comments below any words I can help you with. If you like this video, please subscribe. It means the world to me, and then you'll be notified every time I put a new weekly video on this YouTube channel for you. Voilà pour moi. I hope this video was helpful to help you grow your vocabulary and spot some of these identical words in written forms and how to pronounce them so you can understand more French and pronounce them correctly. À la prochaine!